Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. To start off the day on the Forex CA, the account is up today about $35. So this is taking into account Sunday 3 p.m. up until today's morning session. So it was basically the overnight, the afternoon and morning session put together, right? So since yesterday 3 p.m. the market opened Sunday, the Forex EA has made $35. And again, just running in this on gold. Not going to be running it on other pairs. It's only on gold. And I think officially now for the, not even for the month, because this is barely the first day of the second week. So this EA has barely been running for around six trading days, right? It would technically be a full trading day today at like 3 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon when today's market closes, or the day ends really. So as of now, I started the account with $978. We are at $272, which is well over 20%. We already beat 10%, right? We're already over 20% returns in 6 days, 6 trading days, 20% returns. I mean, again, we did have a couple unicorn days where we made 30, 40. So I think one day we made like $70 last week. So I'm not expecting that to be like a daily thing. I was expecting more of an overall gain of like maybe 10% for the month. Maybe at most like 15%. But I mean, it already kind of, I can literally stop the EA now, right? It already beat out 10%. I can literally stop the EA right now because we already made more than 20% for like in the past week. So I can literally stop it right now and not start it again for like another 3 weeks, and technically the EA would still be 10-20% in the money, right? We would still be profitable 10-20%. But I am gonna keep it running for the rest of for the next 3 weeks, right? We are running this. Unfortunately, I didn't start this series on the beginning of July, so it would be a little bit easier to keep track of. We actually started this a little bit around late July. So we are actually going to be ending, I'm not going to be ending the series. It's just the official trading month is going to end like somewhere like in like August, like 20th or something. That would be like 3 weeks from now or whatever. But yeah, so far the EA has made $272 overall. For the day, it's made $35, and the account is at $1250, and we started with $978. So a really nice, I think it's like a 20-25% gain, me doing literally nothing in like 5 trading days. So I'll see you guys later.